they must repent it. And then 3 million people die. They kill. Actually, they don't give anything to eat in North Korea. What kind of politics they using? And then they their own people to kill, and then let them die too hungry, nothing to eat. This North Korea is a terrible and horrible nation.
Yes.
If they don't want to repent it, what can they do? That only God can do.
Yes.
Yeah, only God has the power.
Yes.
He can remove.
Yes.
This evil leader.
Yes.
He is the most evil leader in the world, the Kim Jong-un.
Yes.
He is really evil leader. He cannot lead us North Korea. How can he lead?
Yes.
Because he only want himself to eat well, and he has a yacht. He has so many houses. He has so many things for himself. Even though he using the $30 million to buy the 기쁨조. Do you know 기쁨조? 기쁨조 is make happy to Kim Jong-un. They are crazy. How can they? You know, they are no human right.
Yeah.
How can they make the 기쁨조 or to give them a sex to Kim Jong-un?
Oh my God.
They are prostitute? They are not prostitute.
Yes.
They make them to prostitute to Kim Jong-un, Kim Jong-il, his father, his grandfather.
Yeah.
They are all depraved. They are not normal. They are something wrong.
Yeah. That's
They
right.
are not normal leader.
Yes.
They
그들은
actually
비정상적이에요.
destroyed their own country.
그들은
So
스스로의
we
나라를
must get rid of him. We must get rid of him. So we need to rescue our North Korean, our people. But they are same people, same nation. We cry out to them because they are live like a slave of Mr. Donald Trump, President. Please help. Please help. Do not deceive by Kim Jong-un. I know you are very, very smart, and you are already anointed by God. You have a wisdom. You have a wisdom.
Mr. Trump?
Mr. Trump has President Trump has a wisdom. So I pray that God give him more wisdom to how to rescue North Korean people, and how to get rid of Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un will not destroy it's a missile. He will not. He won't do that. But Moon Jae-in is lie. Moon Jae-in is firstly peace. He's a fake. He's a fake president. He's not real president because he used the Iraq to took away, get rid of Park Geun-hye, President Park Geun-hye. Park Geun-hye has no seat. She doesn't get any money. She doesn't get any her people. And then the Moon Jae-in became a fake president. You know why? Because the democracy, the Kim Il-sung, Yoo Seung-min, and those Hong Joon-pyo, and also the who is it? Na Kyung-won, and Kim Song-tae. All these people are very, very evil. They belong to Moon Jae-in. They shake hands. They compromise. They compromise with Moon Jae-in to help to get rid of Park Geun-hye. But Park Geun-hye is our president. Even now, we still want her. We still we can say she's the president now. But, you know, the Park Geun-hye is our president in South Korea. But fake of Moon Jae-in is not our president anymore. We cannot treat him. He is you know, our president. Because he do all the evil things. Do the evil things. He destroyed our economy. He destroyed our DMC. He destroyed all our soldiers. And then borderline. You know. So the young people do not deceived by him. The young people has to keep this country. Well, we have to keep this country because of Moon Jae-in is very, very evil. So he can use the evil thought, evil plot
Yeah.
to destroy the South Korea.
Yes,
We need
yes.
to know about this. As young people, never trust him.
Thank you very
수고하셨습니다.
much.